Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're a cat lover, try clicking it to see a special surprise.
Do not, I said. No.
It didn't quite go as planned. Urgent rescue needed. The cat is redecorating the wall in an app.
Cutting down a dead tree when a surprise popped out.
Peanut, just a bit embarrassing. Come on. That's it. Yes.
Hey guys, I lost my cat.
The most perfect hiding spot is where no one expects.
My cat, so
This cat is a master of disappearing acts.
Where can I sign up to volunteer and play with this baby?
Can't lie. This one's a 10 out of 10.
The only thing to stop this thief is a plethora of belly rubs. Fact: most cats don't recognize themselves in a mirror.
Just waking up in my bedroom. It's so
Even their way of showing affection is a bit cat-like, irresistibly cute.
Goldie thinks the police car is just a new friend following them on a jog.
Small dog, big drama.
After watching these super...
Come on, Jax, come on.
Oh my God.
Give that buffalo a cape. He's the superhero of the animal kingdom.
This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
No, para, te vas a parar, loca, para un poco,
Put it.
Apparently, personal space means nothing once it gets cold.
Well, looks like someone needs to invest in some mini hiking boots.
When you'll take attention from literally anyone.
You're
wagging tail. That's part.
Finally found someone who understands exactly where the itch is.
The damn thing is decrepit. It's gonna break the thing. Get out of here.
Oops, this potato just fell into such a deep REM sleep.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna.
Nah!
Way. I should somehow wag it around the tree. Wait, please.
Paulo, who did this? Who did this?
Looks like we've got a possum fitness influencer here.
Warning, moving your leg is now strictly forbidden by forest law.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name. She's way better at this than she should be.
Sheep wasn't hurt because they're kinda made to do this.
Uh-oh, he's backing up.
Мося провалился в болото. И где Мося? Это кто висит там, а? Что за Мося?
Go spin. The winner will win a lifetime supply of salmon.
Did you know elephants can spend up to 16 hours a day eating? That's just what it takes to keep that much energy going.
Eating so politely, this little one will grow up so fast. It's too cute for work.
Is this the new 10-step skincare routine? A Tamandua deep cleaning facial?
This dog could replace a washing machine.
Winston. 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 Ava, it's on the car.
Hit the bell. Good boy.
2 seconds outside and he's done. Being close was more important than how tricky the climb was.
Right, we're done.
she has in her kennel, and I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard.
This is why you always scout your escape routes. Bravo!
Come on, buddy. Peanut.
Hi, baby. I'm gonna help you, okay? No, 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 no. No, mommy. No, mommy. No.
This dog has a very unusual way of stealing toys.
Well, looks like someone needs to invest in some mini hiking boots.
Cats are surprisingly talented at turning calm situations into chaos. You can already tell somebody made a terrible decision here.
Did you do this?
Slowly touch. Good.
I was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
The most adorable police escort in history. I hope the officers will get paid more.
Cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Taco?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Now grab the mouse by the tail.
I'm trying to. Not good.
Just making sure the cat is real.
Yeah, Minnie, pet the cat. Pet the cat. Good.
Did you lose your sisters? Come on, Oreo. Let's go find your sisters. Yeah? Come on, buddy. Let's go find your sisters. I just abandoned you. So mean.
Fine, but the other hose clearly has a bad aura.
Mom says these are friends.
Don't. Hey, found it. Why are you doing that?
This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
Pure comfort right there.
Sorry.
their burrows to protect them from heat and predators.
Echoing his passionate cries down the hallway just to find his human.
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks.
Such an adorable, affectionate moment. The puppy seems to be saying, "I love you so much, cat mom." The gray cat must have softened up too.
Bed, bruv. Hurry up. Let's go. Back inside your bed. Hurry up. Hurry up. Back inside your bed. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Rock, paper, pause.
Forget.
Found a baby echidna on the side of the road. What a weird looking potato.
That's a bit too much help.
What is it?
Did you know oxpeckers feed on parasites like ticks and flies, helping keep animals like buffalo clean?
A four-legged custom-made infant pillow commissioned by Love. If it's not a premium, furry orthopedic mattress, I don't want it. The tiny human has requested more crackers to nap.
When you try to get up, but decide it's not worth it.
Okay. Whatever it is you need to do, I guess.
Brotherly love, taken a bit too far.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
Found the real-life Snow White.
My God, you guys, he's on me.
Little guy, master of solo play.
Oh!
They seem to have an understanding.
Okay.
He's very smart. What's the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Oh my God.
a blue one like that.
Cat is actually evil.
Can I touch your butt?
This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there. Oh, I'd love to hear them. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next heartwarming moments.
Hey guys, I lost my cat.
The most perfect hiding spot is where no one expects.
I lost my cat, so
This cat is a master of disappearing acts.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy. Smart and so adorable. Friends, trust me, you're gonna love today's video.
Careful, bud.
Clearly rehearsing for its lead role in The Phantom of the
Come on, bud. Come on. You gotta get up. I swear to God, I'm leaving you laying there this time. I'm not helping you. You did that on yourself. You lay down.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Open the way! Friend!
Beautiful, but he's probably the future Roger. He's already showing signs that he wants to be the dominant male.
Bilanglah satu-satu. Tidaklah adik, tidak. Takutlah.
They're probably hungry.
Yeah, I think we should probably about time to feed the rabbits.
He said, I don't know who this rabbit person is, but Bunny is my bestie.
Oh, it's a mischievous sock thief. His mom must be utterly fed up with this game by now.
This is Henry. Say hi.
Such an adorable, affectionate moment. The puppy seems to be saying, I love you so much, cat mom. The gray cat must have softened up too. After watching these they are definitely holding a secret meeting to plot a total takeover against their humans. This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there.
Goose came and scared away this gorilla.
Oh my god, it's a baby bird.
Awesome.
Good boy.
Vision is about to explode.
When nap time hits mid-study session. Puppy cuddles make the perfect morning. Looks like the start of a new friendship. Two seconds outside and he's done.
Kool-Aid. It don't work on everything you want, baby girl.
Seeing a whole family of elephants cross the road like this is pretty rare. Even the safari guide said this was a first for them.
Accompanies it.
When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Thank you so much for joining Incredible Animal through these adorable kitten moments. Which part melted your heart the most? 1 minute peace? Next minute emergency rescue? Life with cats is never predictable.
Whoa! That puppy is playing a very dangerous game of tag.
But let's be honest, they're not exactly the bravest.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Hey guys.
This has got to be some sort of joke because oh, sorry to bother.
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb.
The cats are all waiting, and there's Jeff. Jeff's just like waiting with the cats.
Jeff politely invited himself to dinner. Here's something truly beautiful.
are for ordinary cats. This one
Oops, this potato just fell into such a deep REM sleep.
Jaguars can adapt to almost any environment, from dense rainforests to wetlands and open land.
And the club's won.
This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
Is this the new 10-step skincare routine? A Tamandua deep cleaning facial?
Every brushstroke takes him further away from this world.
وجعت روشات.
Toilet paper home decor artist. Human, looks like this cat needs more toys to keep busy.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy. Cats are surprisingly talented at turning calm situations into chaos.
Ace.
Baby takes a pack. If you love these duos, like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Did you know elephants can spend up to 16 hours a day eating? That's just what it takes to keep that much energy going.
Is this shocked face due to the cat's own doing or pure shock at its handiwork? Who?
Looks like... Oh! Looks like we had a, bit of beef jerky. Tasty. Looks like we...
Oh, come on, you're getting lazy.
Quem é a P? A P! Mas é desse mundo.
Even their way of showing affection is a bit cat-like, irresistibly cute.
Jaguars can adapt to almost any environment, from dense rainforests to wetlands and open land.
King-like posture while being carried. This cat is completely natural and comfortable. What a boss.
What's he doing?
No! I said no. Do not.
Mandua kisses are the new trend. The win.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
For their burrows to protect them from heat and predators.
Oh, it's a mischievous sock thief. His mom must be utterly fed up with this game by now.
What are you doing?
Someone's loving the rain, and someone not so much.
It's water. You're brave. You're a Doberman. You won't.
Look at this fat, giant, morbidly obese squirrel.
Вась, вылазь.
Forget.
How y'all doing?
A little bit.
Managing these two is a full-time job with zero benefits.
He's sleeping like tomorrow's somebody else's problem.